What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for returning to another Monday motivational video. I have so much cleaning to get done in this video. Everything is like an extreme mess. One thing I'm going to be doing is moving this bookshelf to another part of my bedroom because eventually my husband and I are going to be getting a desk for a desktop that we want to get right there, since we don't have a computer or anything yet right now. We just do everything off of our phones. So yeah, I want to get my bedroom cleaned up, which is where I'm starting, so that I can take everything off of that bookshelf and move it across to the other side. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Stephanie McQueen. I am a stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom, and I post motivational cleaning videos every Monday and then also throughout the week when I get a chance. So if you're new here, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and be a part of my channel. I am on my way to 10,000 subscribers. That's my next goal. So I would really love if you guys would help me get there. And yeah, as always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and leave me some comments below. I love talking to you guys. So let's get started. As I've said before in my other videos, I love my Simply Earth essential oils. I keep this Sweet Dreams essential oils in my daughter's room. And so yeah, if you guys are interested in your own Simply Earth essential oils, I will leave everything in the description box below. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you're probably wondering what happened to the bar that was right here that had my daughter's princess dresses on it. Well, the kids ended up like smashing it into the wall and breaking it off the wall. So now I need my husband to help me rehang it because it's pretty difficult. So I'm just waiting for when he can do that. This tree is always shedding. I'm always having to vacuum underneath it because there are these little white pieces everywhere, all over the floor. I'm happy to finally be getting to this stuff. We moved probably about 2.5 months ago now, and I just haven't gone through the rest of this stuff yet. So I just kind of left it in the corner and then didn't really organize any of this or any of the stuff over by the bookshelf. So I'm happy to finally be taking care of this. These are pictures where my frames broke, so I went ahead and took them out, and I'm going to have to buy some new frames for these ones. here is where the real extreme mess begins. It takes like 2 seconds for my kitchen and my dining area to be completely trashed.